don't think you'll be able to hear me in this loud noise. This is Hanuman Gundi Falls. Okay, we are going near the source. Murali, come. And she's taking a pic. Wow. Okay, let me get you to the source. It's quite rainy today. Nearing the source. It's quite windy. And here it goes. Isn't this the most amazing waterfall you've ever seen? I can't even start to describe it. Move! हटो, सब हटो। ओह, और छाता पलट गया।